Welcome to Study Gap. So today our topic is current division law. Okay, so you can see on the screen. This is a current source, which is Is, and two resistors R1 and R2 are connected in parallel with this source. Okay. Now by using current division law, we can easily find out the current flowing through each resistor. That means this current flowing through the circuit is basically Is, and at this point it is branching into two. So this is I1 and this is I2, right? So that means Is, this is your Is, and Is is branching into two currents. Like this is Is and this is say I1 and I2. So now formula for I1 is simply R2 by R1 plus R2 into Is, the source current, and formula for the I2 is basically R1 by R1 plus R2 into Is. Okay, so this is the most important formula. Okay, next take an example. Like you can see 10 ampere, Is is 10 ampere, and two resistors are connected in parallel with the current source R1 and R2. Okay, say this is R1 and this is R2, and this is our Is. Okay, so Is equals to 10 ampere. Now we need to find out the I1. This is I1 and I2. So if we use here current division law, we can easily find out the current flowing through R1 and R2. So I3 means current flowing through this resistor. Okay, and this equals to the parallel resistor connected with this 3 ohm, which is 2 ohm. Okay, that is R2. So R2 by R1 plus R2 into the source current Is. Now put the values, like R2 equals to 2 ohm and R1 equals to 3 ohm plus R2 equals to 2 ohm again into the source current, which is 10 ampere. So it will give you 2 by 5 into 10, that means 4 ampere. So the current flowing through this R1 or the 3 ohm is simply I1 equals to 4 ampere. Next I2, that means current flowing through the 2 ohm resistor, which is R1 by R1 plus R2 into Is. This equals to 3 by 3 plus 2 into 10, which will give you 6 ampere. Okay, so current flowing through the R1 is 4 ampere. Okay, and the current flowing through the 2 ohm resistance, which is R2, that means I2, it is 6 ampere. So in this way we can easily find out the current flowing through each resistor. So if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more electronics tutorials.